feed hay, and they're not supposed to be here. They got out on him, so I'm gonna hop on the four-wheeler and get them. All right, this is not gonna be a very good video, guys, but they were definitely wandering. Come on. Now can't go around that way. All right, how we gonna do this? I just edited and posted it. I just edited and posted a video. And I had said to myself I wasn't gonna video from the four-wheeler anymore because it was really shaky. Usually the iPhone's steady out there, the video, but I don't know, for some reason, maybe I had it zoomed in too close or something, but if that was a very shaky video, then I apologize, but those calves are troublemakers. I'm trying to get this connected back. Ow! I ran into the tree there. But they're in. There's 46. She's still no baby yet. This is March 2nd afternoon. He was one of the little turds that was out. The other two went in the front field. Cows are happy. They got some hay. Not sure what's going on. He started to head over to the other field and then told me to back up, and he's backed up to the barn. Not real sure what's going on here, but something's not right. Okay, so the clutch spring broke. But he had one. It broke last year while he was rolling hay. It goes on here, and it keeps his clutch up. So anyway, we got to get that replaced, so we had to run home and grab it. Of course, it was in the one truck that wasn't here. What did you do with the spring? He had the spring in his hand. Now he's misplaced it. Oh, there he goes. That sounds like something I would do.
It does.
Uh-huh. I was explaining to him what we're fixing. I can fix it, I think. What you need? Me to push it up? Yay. He got it.
You can move now.
I can move. Done and did. And there's little guy. Hi, buddy. Right there. What's that? I'm not bothering him, Mama. Is it on your nose? Alright, chickies. You gave me 1 egg this morning, and I have 2 this afternoon. Alright. Good girls. Happy Friday. It's Friday, March 3rd. Chickens are eager to get out this morning. And then there's the last one. Check their food. I'll have to fill up their water. We'll give them a little bit more food. I don't expect any eggs today. I've been getting 3 every other day for the last few days. So just about making too big of a mess. Speaking of mess, I've really got to get in here and clean out their poop. But that'll be another day. Let's go check on some cows. Luna, go to the house. Go on. The wind blew my bird feeder down for the rain. They made a beeline for it. They really like it now that we put seed in our feeders. The birds knock it out, the chickens clean it up. Put my big one over here.
Morning. Over here.
After yesterday's winds, we have, well, it's not our tree, it's not our farm, not our fence. E's dad has had some problems. We've been working for far too long to get this tree because it didn't fall completely down. But we're getting there. We've almost got it now. But it just uprooted trees the way the wind blew. But we've been working on this today. fingers crossed this one does the trick. Nope. Well, it's closer. Okay, we're around the trunk this time. I don't think they could reach the trunk the first time, which is why it wasn't there to begin with. But we've just got to get it off down here on this end where it's not quite so dangerous. He sawed on it a little bit more with the chainsaw.
Alright, let's start cutting.
At least it's down.
Let's just start cutting.
Alright, we're just going to start cutting from this end and come back this way. Doing afternoon checks. There's a little baby. He said he was really running around this morning.
Hold your foot on the road.
Okay, don't want to roll. He said he was running around the field like a gazelle this morning, but he didn't get him on video. And then he was standing there panting like a little dog. So all the high winds that we had yesterday took metal off the barn, off the roof. Let the chickens out this morning. Well, when I put them up last night, I was missing one of my hens. So they're gonna stay in their pen today. Got them shut up. So I've only got 4 birds left. One's, I think, in there on the nest. Yeah. She's in that middle one. Anyway, it happens. I hate it when it happens, but we weren't home a lot of the day yesterday, dealing with storm damage. Nope, you can't come out. I know you want to. But you got food, you got water. Have to stay in today for a little bit. We'll let y'all out when we get back home. Good morning, baby. Good morning, Mama. Well, just bully your way in. I guess that's why they call it that, right? Bully? His and hers. Had to pull the hay ring out and do some repairs to it this morning. They've broken some bolts. Well, we got it all put back together. first time he's fed hay with the 40/20. The 40/20 has a canopy on it now. Woohoo! What was it you said about your toolbox?
I need another one.
The farmer always needing.
I need one of the box ones, you know, for the big stuff like this right here. I can put all my power tools and stuff, and then keep all my wrenches and stuff in here. But I need another one, not a toolbox like this one, but one of the box ones.
One of the box ones.
Usually mount right here.
Okay. Well,
Just saying.
Maybe a Father's Day or a birthday. I don't know. We'll see.
See? Can't get shit.
Maybe you just have too much stuff. We'll call it stuff.
There's no such thing.
So now we got to get insulation put up there because when he talks, it echoes.
There's supposed to be something right here. All the way around. Maybe the insulation.
Well, you may have to raise it up a little bit then.
Why?
Because if that's where the insulation sits, it's going to hit your head. Getting all set to rake some hay and carry out some rolls. Yep. We're out doing a late night check. He thinks 46 was in labor this afternoon, so, well, about dark. So we're driving out, come back out here to check on her.
I don't think she was. I know she was.
Oh, you know she was.
She was definitely, because she had a bag out.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
it was imminent.
Imminent. Gotcha. Okay.
And it's a bright, full moon.
Yep.
We have a baby.
We have a baby. It's up and sucking, it looks like. She's taking care of the afterbirth.
It's like a little bull.
The moon. You think it's a little bull calf?
Looked like it when it first turned around.
Today's the 9th. Thursday, March the 9th. We're still keeping the chickens pinned up. They are let out for a little bit every afternoon. But I don't know what got my other hen. So we are playing it safe. I am gonna get me some more chicks. E played around with his grinder mixer the other day and put just a bag of corn and some hay, and then threw it over here to them. They've been picking through it, trying to keep them happy in here because they're not happy about staying locked up. But It's for their own safety. Let's go get some cow feed and check on the new baby. So Calf is on the other side of the fence this morning, so we're gonna get him over. He's distracting Mom with some feed. He's back in with Mama. He is a little boy. Hi, buddy. It's okay, Mama. You look like you've been deflated. Or wait. She hasn't been deflated. She's been decaffeinated. Wah, wah, wah. We were going to try to tag him, but he started hollering, so he brought Mama's attention. He rolled out a little of hay. They were chasing him, so he let it down and rolled out a little bit. It's not like they don't have hay. Well, that ring's empty, but they've got that. And they've got some down in there. That ring down there is not completely empty. And they've got one just behind Peanut there, well, on back, but it's not completely empty either. So they're not starving, they're just spoilt for sure. But you guys already knew that. If you've been here any amount of time, you already knew our cows are spoilt. But that's okay. That's the way we like them. So we think this girl here is probably going to be the next one. She's one of the No Tags Magnificent 7. She's really backed up in the last couple of days, so we think her or it may be the other No Tag, but we'll see. The race is on, girls. He unrolled a little bit right in front of her. These girls are enjoying what he put out. He said she's bagged up a little bit, this white-faced one here. Y'all, I know I said I wasn't gonna video while I was on the four-wheeler much, and I'm sorry if it's very shaky, but he said that there's two down here, one's pacing. Well, there is two down here, which is odd, and I was wondering where the other white-faced one went. There's a couple of trees we lost in that wind that we had. This is the other No Tag. She may be getting ready to go into labor. He said she was pacing. That's the long-faced No Tag. crazy pants following me back up here. I'd say the other one's in labor. See, she's nuts. She's just nuts. I think the other one might be in the beginning stages of labor. But we are putting a roll of hay on the back of the truck, and we're going to strap it down, take that over and feed the others. Y'all, I just fed my first roll of hay with the tractor, with my canopy, my front end loader. He put some feed in the creek feeder for the baby. He got their back rub up, and oh, Gump really likes the back rub. Don't you? Oh yeah, he really likes the back rub.
Yeah, you'll have that tore down by the end of the day.
She was definitely in labor. She's got a bag out and I see feet. If you don't wish to see a cow giving birth to a live baby, please go ahead and stop the video here. If you continue to watch, please keep in mind that we did speed up the video so it didn't take quite so long. So keep that in mind. So hard to watch them. You want to go just help them stand up? Mama might not appreciate that too much though. Oh, we are on all 4 feet. Barely, but we're up on all 4s. It is 15 minutes from the time it was completely out. So it's 11:26 now. It just changed over. And I fully expect it to go down a couple more times before it gets a tit in its mouth, but gotta figure out those legs. It's doing better than I thought it would. Gotta get the back legs moving too, baby. Not even 20 minutes old. I'm pretty sure this one's a bull calf too. He's a tall one. He's got long legs. Yep. Pretty positive it's a bull calf. Yep. He ain't quite got one in his mouth yet, but he'll get there. Now that he's out and up, I'm gonna drive back up to the barn and give them some space. I'm 99% sure it's a bull calf, but we'll get a better look at it when we can get a little closer. I don't want to get too close right now. I think everybody's relaxed